Almost every number in STEM, whether it's the mass of an electron or the distance to a galaxy, gets written in scientific notation. Mastering this skill isn't optional. It's your entry ticket into science, engineering, and math. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to write any number in scientific notation step by step, the way scientists and engineers actually do it. Scientific notation is a shorthand way of writing numbers using powers of 10. The format looks like this: a times 10 to the nth power, where a is a number between 1 and 10, not including 10, and n is an integer showing how many places you moved the decimal. To convert a large number, move the decimal so that only one non-zero digit is in front. Then count how many places you moved the decimal. If you move to the left, then the exponent is positive. Let's take 45,600,000. First, move the decimal after the 4. Then count how far you moved the decimal. That's 7 moves to the left. So your final answer is 4.56 times 10 to the 7. For tiny numbers, the rules are pretty much the same. First, move the decimal so that only one non-zero digit is in front, then count how many places you moved. If you move to the right, then the exponent is negative. To convert 0.000072, first move the decimal after the 7. That is the first non-zero digit. Now count how many places you moved the decimal. That's 5 moves to the right, so the exponent will be a negative 5. So our final answer is 7.2 times 10 to the negative 5. Going the other way is just as easy. If it's a positive exponent, move the decimal to the right. If it's a negative exponent, then move the decimal to the left. Then just fill in the zeros. And that's it. You now know how to write any number in scientific notation. This skill is foundational for every STEM class you'll take. So if you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more STEM concept overviews, and comment what topic you'd like for me to cover next. Thanks for watching.